Hello, my crafty friends. I am here to share my 2TN Traveler's Notebook journals with you. These are actually will fit in, they're the standard size. They will fit into a cover. They're 8 1/4 by 4 1/4. And they are made out of, the covers are made out of cardstock. And I will start with this one first. I don't remember what cardstock this is, but I know it came from Hobby Lobby because Trina gave me this piece, a couple other pieces out of the same tablet, and so I decided to use it for a cover. Yep. And I added some beads to them. I just love these, and I have a bunch of beads, so I don't know why it is. When I'm messing with a journal, I just like having something to mess with while I'm doing. I don't know what it is, but yeah, that's me. I just closed it with the seam binding so it can be removed. So if you want to put it in your cover, TN cover, you can. I was going to put eyelets and put it on there, but I'm like, well, what if they wanted to, you know, the things that go through your head. So it's just one signature. And on the front, I just did the burlap. I wasn't going to put anything on the front, but then again, my brain was working, so I put a little glassine bag in the back, and it's just how, this is a little secret writing spot. This will flip down, and you can write in there, and then you can close it. And I made my own little, again, tracing paper, washi tape looking stuff. Yeah, I'll put this back on later because, yeah, that'll take me 10 years. And on the inside, I sewed all around it, and it's double cardstock with the different, you know, 2 layers of cardstock on the inside. And I just put a little bit of lace, not much, but I did do avocado dyed lace tabbies. And I just made this card out of my new flower book. I was messing around, so I just made that card. And I glued these down. That's out of Daphne's Diary. I put a little bee stamp here and there. Everything's coffee dyed except for the cardstock, I believe. And this is just a little, this is actually, you can, it's a part of a bag that I had cut off. Oh, I glued it. What in the world? Anyways, it was a piece of a bag, you know, just one of these little bags that I have. It was a piece of one of those, and so I just folded it up like a Rita Donnelly flip and used it in this one. Put a little butterfly and some cheesecloth. And I have the old design shop, and I think there's Love Junk Journals, Tracy's in here as well. And this was some cut off papers that I just made a little booklet out of. Just put that little scrap piece of cardstock on it. Did a little stamping, some graph paper, Edith Holden paper, ledger paper, and this one is just a regular little Rita flip with a ticket and a butterfly. And these are the old design shop. And sewed around some of the ephemera, and some of it I did not. And that is Sue Olson's button cards. Flip out, flips, lots of journaling spots. This is just a little belly band that I put these 2 tickets, tags, cards. I don't know what you want to call them. Call them whatever you want to call them, right? I love this. It's so cute. This came out of Daphne's Diary. Tracing paper and Mrs. Coggs little cards, and this is just a little envelope. It doesn't have anything in it, but I put that Grateful for You on there, and some Tim Holtz rub-ons, and out of my new flower magazine, I glued that on there. And I just paper clipped it on there and put that in there. Over here is a little flip, another ticket, butterfly, and some burlap. This is just tied on. This is Mrs. Coggs. Oh, come on. And this is a just a bookmark I made out of this photo, out of the Flower magazine. It's an iris, I believe. No, it's not. I don't remember what it is. Oh my gosh, it's just a cute flower. Anyway, it's a bookmark, and I just set that in there. A little flip out, some more bit of washi tape stuff I made, and yeah, I'm gonna keep going. I can't remember how many pages. This is our sewn on coffee dyed paper journaling card, and over here is a little. I was gonna do like a Terry Woods fold out thing, and I don't know, didn't work out. But anyways, this is a paper clip I made using the little layering method of Sabrina. And I just had this extra piece of paper here, so I just kind of folded it like this. I don't know, this isn't Terry Woods' way. I didn't do it right. I have to go watch her video again, but this is just how I did it. And I just tucked it in there like that, and then I just put a paper clip. Put my cute little decorative paper clip on there, and it holds it right where it's supposed to be. So I'm like, well, I didn't have time to watch the video and do it the correct way, so I just did it my way. I do need to get my butt over there and watch it again, though, because I thought I'd remember it, but I didn't. So, yeah. Gotta do it a different way. And then we go like this, tip out, a little bag, already made, and I don't remember this one. I got that in my stash, and I don't remember where it came from. It's been in there a while. And over here is just a little tuck spot I did. Some little snippet, paper snippet layering. And a bunch of little tidbits here. And there's nothing, and this is already made. Yeah, no. How about we just do that? Put that in there. Like so. And keep going. And over here, this is just a little piece of ephemera I had in my stash. And this opens up for journaling. Let's see if I can do this. Ah, did it. And behind it, this is Daphne's diary. I don't remember. Oh my gosh, Screech Owl, I think. And this is just an old vintage. I super love this one. I don't know why. Something simple about it. I like it. Vintage playing card. Back here, this is glued on. And then another little pocket. And this is just a little extra journaling. And then there's this one. Another card I messed with the flower book I got at the garage sale. And that is this one. And let me put her over here. And get this one. Dream. This is some cardstock that I had in my stash. I do not know where it came from. I don't know what the tablet. Some of my tablets, I don't have the fronts on them anymore. So, and I've had them for so long that I don't know where this one came from. But again, I did not stick this on. I just wrapped it around. And I was gonna glossy accent these, but I just, for some reason, I just love the feel of this. And that's just stamped that dream on there and sewed it to this piece of whatever that is. You know what that is. Anyways, added a button. And then this is the back. And one signature again. And I can't remember how many pages are in here, but I'll try to put the description, or put it in the description box below. So I think they both have about the same. Did some sewing in this one. It's more like a nature kind of a book. I love this. Sewed around that. I don't know. I just love this. Little flip down. A little tag that Trina made me. And I put this Peaceful inside. And just tucked that in there. Lots of journaling. All the cardstock in this one came out of the same tablet, and I just don't remember. I don't have the cover, like I said, so I don't know. Couldn't tell you what tablet it is. Inside the bag I have the repair tag, and this bag came from Denise's shop, and this is one of the journaling cards that came in the kit, and I just sewed the coffee dyed paper onto the back, and then I just tucked it in the bag like that. Another journaling card I just sewed around it. And over here are these two. This one is from the old design shop, I think. Oh my goodness. I'm going to start getting the old design shop and love junk journals mixed up, because they're so, I love them all, so I just cut out a whole bunch, and now I don't remember which shop it comes from, but I'm going to link them both below because y'all have to go there, because there are some amazing ephemera packs and stuff over there. Oh my goodness. Put that in here. And this actually I'm going to take that off because this is glued down, but this side actually, oh, maybe it's glued too. I just glued the other side for a pocket, but this one is actually flips out so you can journal on. I should have glued all the way across. I don't know why I didn't. But this is on coffee dyed paper on the back. I might have to, I don't really need to, I guess. But anyway, yeah, another one of those really super old cards that I'm loving, and I probably hating to get rid of them. Some music paper. A little tuck spot with the tag I made. Little butterflies. Another tuck spot. And these two tags. Sewed around that one. And in here, get off there. I Mod Podged some Tim Holtz tissue paper, this one, on this piece of paper, made an envelope out of it, sewed around it, and put this little booklet inside. That's Tsunami Rose, her telegrams, and yeah, made a little booklet. And just put that back like that. And this is Memories, and I slipped that right in there. And put the paper clip on to keep it closed. Another little tuck spot with a button and a filigree. Put it in there this way. And I think that one's the old design shop. Some little lace tabbies. I'm trying to use up some of that. I've got so much miscellaneous cardstock, it's just ridiculous. And I do not know where half of it comes from. I mean, the name brands, I don't know. I know where I physically got it. And over here is this one. And this I made a little booklet. It kind of looks like a leather. I love this paper. But on the back I just sewed some miscellaneous papers and made a little pocket right there. Another little extra tablet writing space. I love that. Out. Two more tags. This is Tim Holtz tissue paper. Not that one, but you know, the one with the butterflies and black and white one. There you go. Folded that over and made a little tuck spot. I love this one. And then these two. And that one is upside down. Oh, I gotta put that back on the other one. And that is my second one. I hope you like them. I love them. These are both for sale. If you are interested, I will link my Facebook below, and you can PM me on there. And I'll give you the information on these little ones. And yeah. Thanks for sticking with me and watching my video, and hope you have a wonderful day. It's amazing outside right now. Hope you all had a good, safe holiday. And don't forget to subscribe and like, and yeah. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.